You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these letters from the Greek alphabet. If you want to learn more names of Greek letters that many people are confused by and how to pronounce them, make sure to stay tuned to the channel and more correct pronunciations in English. So it's spelled P-I, but it's pronounced pie indeed, just like an apple pie, a pie, P-I-E, pie, alright? So it's not P, just pie. Pie is how to pronounce this Greek letter. It's easy, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.